Is your GameSir controller moving on its own even when you're not touching the analog stick? That annoying issue is called stick drift. And in today's video, we are going to show you how to fix it without needing to replace your controller right away. Now, stick drift happens when your analog stick registers movement when it's not centered. And this can cause dust buildup, worn sensor, calibration issues, or incorrect dead zone settings. So the first thing that you need to do is to recalibrate your controllers. On Xbox, PC, or mobile, depending on your setup, turn off your controller. Hold the LB plus RB plus view button or equivalent GameSir combo depending on model. Plug it into your device via USB. Move both analog sticks in full circles for 10 to 15 seconds. Restart the controller. This resets the stick center position and often fixes minor drift instantly. And then after that, you need to increase the dead zone settings, which is most effective for gaming. On PC, which is on Steam, open Steam, go to settings, and then go to controller. Select your GameSir controller and then open calibration, dead zone settings, increase left and right stick dead zone slightly because a small increase can completely eliminate unwanted movement. And then you want to make sure to clean the analog stick me settings. Okay? Why? Because for one, dust and debris are one of the most common cause of drift. So what you need is a cotton swab or soft brush, isopropyl alcohol like 70%, and then you need to power off the controller, gently pull the analog stick sideways, apply a small amount of alcohol around the base, rotate stick for 30 to 60 seconds, let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you need to update the firmware. So download the GameSir app or official software, connect your controller via USB or Bluetooth, check for firmware updates, install the latest version. Firmware updates often improve stick sensitivity and calibration issues. And then test your controller. Open a game or controller tester website, check if the stick still moves on its own. Now, if drift is reduced but not gone, combine fixes number 2 and number 3. And then final option, if nothing works, let me tell you that if none of these fixes solve the issue, the analog module may be physically worn out. In that case, you may need a replacement or repair service. Basically, that's it for today's video on how you fix analog stick drift on GameSir controllers. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.